Get out of the Lord's house, you devil-worshipping fiend!
I will help as much as I can, miss. I'll have him on my prayers.
You two will not enter the Lord's house.
Father Gregor, I do not have a child. What are your names, children? Well, Skid and Pump. With those costumes, the devil mocks this sanctuary. And where are your parents? What about your father? Oh, I understand. You need behave yourselves in the eyes of the Lord. I will be your guide, and I know your parents would be proud of you. If you have done mischief to someone, you tell them sorry. I will follow.
No, you cannot run. You might hurt yourselves. Walk normally. Not that normal.
Children. It is wrong to accuse someone like that. What did they do to you, young man? Come on, kids. Let's keep going. Children, you will not accept more. Candy is a poison for your body, and the starting machine of... Yes? I am guiding the children to behave themselves for the Lord and the parents.
Watch your mouth, young man.
I am their guide to put them in the right path. It seems you know these children. Here is something that can help you and your work. Let's go, kids. Who are you, Mr. Frank? Don't listen to him, children. And one day you might not come back, and your parents will be devastated. And I will let the authority know about you, Mr. Frank. Where now, kids?
Mister! How dare you threaten these children like that? You should be ashamed of yourself!
Come on, kids. Let's keep going. And that's why you should be nice with everyone. That's right. Children, you can go. The Lord be with you, Mayor. What happened? Where now, kids? And who let you in? You should always have the permission of someone to enter any place. Understood? All right. I will follow you.
Forgive us, Doctor!
Is everything okay, Mr. Gregor?
Excuse me, I'm Father Gregor. Can you take care of these kids?
Yes, just take care of them, please!
Mr. Gregor!
What are you doing in here? You lied to the authority? You two cannot be here, it's dangerous! Don't speak to the devil, he is a deceiver! Silence, beast! You will not speak if the Lord does not command it! Stay out of this, kids! Stay down, creature filled with sin! Get out of this body! The power of the Lord compels you! The power of the Lord compels you!
The Lord, the Son, the divine soul
Compels you to leave this vessel! Leave this place and go back to the cold pit of hell! The power of the Lord compels you! Kids, help me! Stay away! He is deceiving you! Silence, you lying beast! How dare you let the demon go through your head? Silence! This is part of the devil's trick! Silence! Silence! I will not fall for your false illusions! Give your name, fiend! The Lord commands you to give your name! How do you know his name? You two brought a demon to this realm. You have drowned this town in sin and think it's a game? Get out of this child's body! Leave that lollipop alone, children! Stop it, children! Get out of this body, Moloch! Get out! Get out! The Lord compels you! Lord, the Son, the divine soul, and the sacred sky command you to leave this room! Back to the cold pit where you belong, Moloch! They command you to leave! Leave! And never come back!
No wonder your son is unguided. I understand you are a widow, but your negligence has put your son in many dangers.
You don't even know why he's here and all you can do is drink?
You are an irresponsible mother. What do you want?